What's up, everybody? I'm Josh Stover, and today is part 7 of the cooler cart build. Today, we're installing the rear axle, getting the motor lined up, and getting the chain on. Let's get this going. There you have it, guys. Short, quick, and to the point in this video, but as you can see, it's coming together very quickly at this point. We should be getting close to the test riding stages. If you guys like this video, make sure you smash that like button for me, and also drop me a comment in the comments section down below if you have any questions or comments you'd like to throw at me. Hit that subscribe button for all my future content, and if you would, share this video on Facebook and Instagram with all your friends. Thanks for checking it out, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.